After watching this video you will be able to understand how to blacken fish. Blackening fish is a cooking technique using melted butter and sprinkle a combination of herbs, spices, and thyme, an aromatic perennial, evergreen herb. The characteristic of a blackened fish results from the combination of those ingredients. While this is popular in Cajun cuisine, there was an interesting contemporary cuisine that copies this technique. This technique does not only apply to fish, but also with steak and chicken cutlets. Blackened seasoning is used when creating blackened fish, and it would be an advantage if it contains oregano, paprika, and garlic powder. One of the popular blackened seasonings is the homemade Cajun seasoning, which produces a caramelized brown sugar and is massively helpful in adding great and exquisite flavor. Before having more information about how to blacken fish, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Best blackened fish recipes. Blackened tilapia. Tilapia is vastly used in every dish because of its soft, tender meat, and it's easy to prepare because of its natural mild sweet flavor. For the blackened tilapia ingredients, you have to prepare 4 tilapia fish, 1 slice of lemon, 1 tablespoon of canola or olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Meanwhile, for the blackened seasoning preparation, the ingredients are garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika, oregano, ground cumin, and brown sugar. The instruction is pretty simple and manageable. Combine the blackened seasonings and the brown sugar in a small bowl while rubbing over the fish and pan. Fry the fish. Heat the oil and butter in a frying pan or skillet over medium to high heat. When the simmers, add the seasoned fish and drop a few lemon slices and cook until brown per side. After cooking, serve it in a bowl and add the remaining lemon. Blackened fish with green rice. This interesting flavor is also inspired by Cajun cuisine during the 1980s. The best fish to use in this style of cooking is redfish, but it is also suited to tilapia. For the ingredients, you have to prepare white rice, parsley, lemon zest, olive oil, kosher salt and pepper, garlic powder, dried thyme, paprika, lemon juice, cayenne pepper, fish fillets, and lemon wedges. While cooking the rice, pulse the parsley, salt and pepper, oil and lemon zest and chop them finely, then set aside. In a separate bowl, stir the remaining seasoning ingredients and coat the lemon juice over the fish, then dip the fish into the seasoning mix. Heat the remaining olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat and cook the fish until it starts to blacken. Finally, serve the fish alongside rice, add lemon wedges for the final touch. Blackened catfish with Cajun rice. You have to prepare these ingredients: catfish fillets, Old Bay, olive oil, brown rice, water, minced garlic, chopped green bell pepper, white onion, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, salt, and pepper. You have to put the water in a saucepan and let it boil. Add the rice in it and reduce the heat to a simmer and wait until the rice is tender. While the rice is still cooking, start over with the catfish fillets and cover it with blackening seasoning on both sides. Heat the olive oil in a skillet and sear the catfish for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Put the fish on a plate until it warmed up. Rinse the skillet and add the remaining olive oil. Mix the garlic, bell pepper and onion until it grows tenderly. When the rice is ready, drain and add the vegetables and stir them in the garlic powder, salt and pepper, and Cajun seasoning. Finally, garnish the lemon wedge over the fish fillet and rice. How to blacken fish. Conclusion. Even if you're fond of eating blackened fish, you have to watch out for its nutritional value first, because your health is to be the priority than your taste buds. But if you happen to love eating blackened fish, there it is, filled with nutrients that you needed. Fish is a better source of protein than poultry meat. It consists of 34 grams protein, 10 grams fat and 12 grams carbs. For more information about how to blacken fish, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.